All right, guys, so here we are, the mad scientists, the buffest, strongest, most deadliest scientists that ever you come across at Naples Team Third Law Academy, Naples After School Program, the Go Getting Academy, where your young children come to die. All right, not true. Anyways, they come to get executed. We have here a very powerful can. It's not easy to bend. Squeeze it, Gustavo. Try to see if you can bend it. Right? It is very difficult. Okay? To demonstrate this, watch. Well, I guess my head is more powerful than the can. But today, we're going to try to demonstrate how to use atmospheric pressure to collapse a can. And then we're going to explain the science in our secret room at Team Law Academy. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll have water boiling on a very expensive paint can. It's just a paint can. It's not expensive at all. And what we're going to do is I'm going to place it out because it's burning. That's why the kids outside. I'm wearing my glasses. I do not want to have my face burnt. I'm going to place it right here. Okay? And I'm going to trap all the steam on the can. And now, good enough? And now I'm going to flip it around and put it on the ice water. And that, let's see what happens. Real quick. Good? You want to hold it? Oh!
It's going to explode.
Oh!
Oh! Something's going to happen. One, two, oh, what?
All right. Second time around. I need an assistant. Who wants to help me? Gustavo, come here for a second. One second. Let's tell. Hey, watch the way. Go over there. Actually, come over here. Come back here for a second. Okay. Well, I get another can. Can you throw away the ice? Can you hold this? Make sure it doesn't pop or anything like that. Excuse me. You didn't see that coming. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get those views, you know? You gotta do what you gotta do.
How could this happen? Why are you like,
This goes to show that this is a real dangerous job to be my assistants. Let's give it on 3 for Gustavo. 1, 2, 3. Okay? That's why you are on. You can wear my glasses, son. Wear my glasses.
it's a great honor.
Okay, so now we're going to talk about what actually happened here. What happened is I set up an experiment to trick Gustavo into getting soaked in ice. And that's really the only thing of value here right now, is that how can you use experiments to trick your volunteering assistants into get pranked? Right?
Yeah.
No, there's a little more going on than this. So the first thing we did is we push all the air out of the can with steam by putting heat, producing the steam to push all the air out. Number 2, after we took the can off, we seal it so the air is trapped inside the can. Nothing can come in or out. Number 3, pay attention. Number 3, once we cooled, right, the steam inside, it went back to water, causing a change in atmospheric pressure, causing the collapse of the can. Now, to be completely honest here, guys, I haven't done my physics in a little bit, so I gotta go look at that equation again, and we're gonna study and see what's going on. Understand? But the cool thing is, man, we made this thing
Die.
break. We wet Gustavo. We had fun. Now let's figure out inside the room what is actually happening. We have fun?
Yeah!
Over here, E equals MC squared after school program. And today we're gonna do a very scientific, super science experiment. Today, we're gonna make, check this out. We're gonna mix milk